Hey guys, this is Shubh and today we are going to see how to use shrink wrap modifier in Blender. So for that you needed two object. First is cube and second one is car in this scenario. But uh, uh, if you want to shrink, then you need a two object. First is that your final product and second one is that you want to shrink. Okay, so first I'm going to use cube, okay, for shrink wrap, and for that go to edit mode and add some subdivide so it become a more clear. Okay, so I think it would be a better because okay, then go to again object mode, then here come at vertex group and add some first vertex group and basis for shape key. Okay, then go at the modifier and then after you should add shrink wrap modifier. Okay, and here you can see there is a 4 option, but in this case I'm going to click default. Okay, nearest surface point, and snap mode. In snap mode there is a plenty of option are there, but in this case on surface would be better. But if you have a object which has a hollow side, then inside and outside would be a good idea. And okay, so on surface, and then time to choose target, then I'm going to choose that car that I have put it here. Okay, and as you can see it becomes a little bit like a car. Okay, then as you can see there is a 4 option: apply as a shape key, save as a shape key, and duplicate. But in this case I'm going to click on apply as a shape key so that it become a shape key. Okay, so okay, then go ahead here, and as you can see there is a one shape key, shrink wrap shape key. Okay, then go at 0 frame and then click side button so that it insert keyframe, and then go at any frame, and 0.9 would be better, I guess so, 0.9. Okay, then press again and you will find that it become a perfectly shaped. Okay, so this is first example. Okay, and second one, let's check second one. Okay, so it will become a perfect understanding. Okay, so I have one character which looks very fatty. Okay, and as you can see it is a perfect fit, and then it become a little outweight. Okay, so in this case I have add shape key as usual, as I have shown you. Okay, but for this case I also add something new which can help to make a perfect transformation. Okay, so where is so go to it plan object properties and select visibility, and here you can find that show in viewport and render. Viewport means this is which is called as viewport shading, and render which is final product. Okay, so you will find that it has a shape keys, frame insert keys. So I put some insert keys at here in both of the sides, so it become a perfectly transformation. Okay, so that is for today guys. I hope you understand very well, and see you in the next video.